Hello guys, welcome back to the cards. So today I'm gonna show you how to increase your PC performance. So we're gonna start with reducing the size used by the recycle bin. So you come to the recycle bin and right click, you get options like this. So you go to properties. So there's a window that will open. So there's this setting called custom size. So you reduce whatever your size is. On this you reduce it to 1000, so it'll only use 1000 MBs. So that's the maximum space that the recycle bin can use. So this reduces the amount of junk stored in your computer, so the others will automatically be erased. So click apply, then okay. So the second step I'm gonna show you is how to add a power plant to your computer. So here you go to the control panel, open the control panel, go to hardware and sounds, click on hardware and sounds, then there'll be a window that opens. Click power options, so you'll be brought to a window where it's called choose a customized power plan. So here you want to go and choose if you want high performance, you have to, it's always on balanced, it's default. So you're gonna choose high performance. So this will increase the performance for your computer and it will be helpful. So use that, then we go back and then we are going to, if you want a good performance for your PC, you have to make sure you have updated everything. So we're going to go to settings, and at settings we're going to go to update and security. Click on it. So there'll be an option to update your Windows. For me there's a problem, but you'll be given an option here to update your Windows. Click on it and you'll update your Windows. So after updating your Windows, the PC will be more faster than it was. This will be helpful. So we go to the third step. Let's just go back. So we have to stop the background apps, the apps running in the background. So we go to settings, we go to system. So this feature here, apps and features. So it will open something like this. So here you're going to uninstall the apps that you're not using. You see it gives you the amount of space that the app is using. So when you click on it, it will give you an option to modify or uninstall. So you're just going to uninstall all the apps that you're not using. Some of them cannot be uninstalled because they're just, so it's an example here. You're just going to uninstall. So after you uninstall all the apps you're not using, it will free up space in your computer, hence making it faster. So the last step I'm going to show you is how to clean up the C drive. So you're going to come here and search disk cleanup. Yes, you're going to search disk cleanup. So you'll find a window like this will open. There's options for HP recovery tools. So you're going to click on C drive and click OK. So it's going to calculate how much space you'll be able to free on your C drive. So it takes a little time, but it's very fast. So after it calculates the space that it is able to free, it will give you a new window like this, and you're going to just tick all of the boxes to free up space, because all these are unwanted files. So you come here and click on clean up system files. Here when click OK, so it will clean up all the junk, and after a few minutes, a few seconds, it will bring you options, and there'll be more options to clean up more junk in your computer. So you just wait. So here we find that we have more options, so we're going to click on them, all of them, to make sure we clean everything. So after this, you're going to click OK, and then here you're going to click delete files. So the disk will clean up automatically, and it will only clean up the necessary files on your machine. So you don't have to worry about important files being deleted. It only cleans the necessary files. So after this, you'll notice that your PC is faster, and you'll be able to use it more efficiently. Thank you guys. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.